That new African is ready to fight his own battle and show that after all, the black man is capable of managing the whole affairs.
Ewenyigba TV kple Ŋdi Wɔna ƒe gɔmedzeƒe tɔni magbɔ enye wozɔge na mi va egbatɔ hã me meda kpe na mi be mi tsɔ na Ewenyigba TV be anye miaƒe akuwo yi ke mianɔ ŋdi sia ŋdi le miaƒe wɔnawo me enye dzidzɔ gã manyagblɔ gã aɖe na meda kpe na mi katã miawoe le dɔ dzi loo ke meda kpe na miamewo katã daŋ miaƒe adzɔɖoɖo me minana mi tsotso minana miaƒe messageswo mida kpe na mi aleke miɔma nɔ mia wɔna ma anɔ vivim o ta akpe na mi miawoe gava agbatɔ hã me miawoe gbɔna tɔwo ge egba enye fi ɖagbe ta matso mɔkpɔkpɔ atsɔ ado baba ne ƒome yiwo ke woƒe lɔlɔ̃tɔwo le kpefafa dzi ŋdia miado baba na mi katã be Mawu ŋutɔ yi ke ganana yi ke ga exɔ miaƒe lɔlɔ̃tɔwo ke ne ku gbeƒã aɖewo li ke miadzi be miaɖe na yewo ne miadzi be amewo nase yewo ƒe ŋkɔ enya nyuiwo nyadzɔɖamedze nya vɔ̃ yewo miawo mi le klalo be miakpe ɖe mia ŋuti ale be miaɖe gbeƒã na mi le miaƒe wɔnawo dzi. Asitsatsa bublu madomadoa enye agbaɖuɖu. Asitsatsa bublu madomado nye agbaɖuɖu ta miabia be ne mitsa asi le mɔ vovovo me ke miage ɖe mia dzi ale be miawo ɖeka kpli mi le asitsanyawo me ale be amewo nase miaƒe ŋkɔ. Mi wɔna miaƒe wɔna leke mi zana nya ɖo yi ke kɔ tuna mia ɖokuiwo ale kɔ dona ŋusẽ mia ɖokuiwo gbawo tso gbe yina motivational segment miegbatɔ hã wɔ ge nenema pɛpɛpɛ ke mi kpɔna nyadzɔdzɔ ɖewo ke tso miaƒe amegãtɔ me fia yiwo ke ka mia le gbegbe miwɔ ge nenema hã le gbatɔ me hafi miava yi ɖe miaƒe newspaper gãgãgãwo miakpɔ ke nyadzɔdzɔ yiwo ke kaka tsi miaƒe newspapers wo katã dzi ŋdia hã ke ne eƒo ganyia mi ɖena nyamedzodzowo me mi katã mi kpena miatsi miwɔnɛ wonyona ta be miada kpe ɖe mi katã be egba hã miega miagbɔ nɔ ge akpe ɖe mia ŋuti le nyawo me dzodzo me ke ɖo ŋku dzi be 0242670773 enye nɔmba yake nate ŋu atsɔ akɔ age ɖeka me kpakplim 0242670773 enye nɔmba yi ke nate ŋu azã akɔ etseka kpakplim ke ne woe nenema enana be wɔna nɔna gbedzi nɔna tutui ta medo ŋutia mi katã mama Krista yi ke le miaƒe sɛmtsɔ abɔ medo gbe ne Emmanuel Pusɔgbɔ Ŋdia do gbe ne Vincent le akpa Emmanuel le woe medo gbe ne Tina yi ke samia kɔ le fodo me do gbe ne Mary le Atenta miamewo katã ko va zu nyaxɔlɔ esi ɖe hotɔ aƒlawotɔ meda kpe ne mi katã. All right, let's go to our motivational segment. I welcome you to the show. Tony McBoy is your host, and I'll be doing this from now to 10. All right, our motivational piece is right there. A good decision at the wrong time can still fail. Timing is part of intelligence. A good decision at the wrong time can still fail. Timing is part of intelligence. Ni kakwa memia TV o jelenge shigba makira kwenye nya gbe ke miako adonse miarka roko tumia rokio indishandia media poba miapo ade nya gbe ka baro yokenye nunyalawo ƒe nufiafiawo, nunyalawo ƒe nuƒo kple sube mia anya leke miazɔ miaƒe agba le azɔlia le agbegoea ŋui ta nenemae mi gadze egbatɔ hã gɔme ma ke ni kpɔm nyi le TV dzia nye egba ƒe ŋusẽ doamenya yi ke sage mia la takpi ɖe koa nyi gbɔme mi le nye be ne wo tsatsia nyui le yi gbegblẽtɔ ma tsatsia nyui ma hã ate ŋu ava zu tsatsia gbegblẽ elabe me wo tsatsia nyuia le yia nyuitɔ me ehia be mianɔ tsatsiawo wɔm le ɣeyiɣi nyuitɔwo me edze miawɔ tsatsiawo le ɣeyiɣi nyuitɔwo me ne miawɔ tsatsia nyuie le ɣeyiɣi gbegblẽ ma zi ale ke ɣeyiɣia nye ɣeyiɣi gbegblẽ ko tsatsia ma hã va trɔna va zuna tsatsia gbegblẽ nenemae wodze be mia asrɔ̃ tso tsatsia wɔwɔ ŋuti ta tsatsia wɔwɔ ƒe nunya hã nye nunya ɖe le ɖokui si tsatsia wɔwɔ ƒe nunya enye hã nye nunya le ɖokui si kom wodze be nyagblɔla gbogbo be mianya alo miasrɔ̃ kple sube mi magatso ko awu mi ke wɔm amewo le mi magatso ko awu mi ke haxowo mo miasrɔ̃ le ke miage ɖe mia ɖokuiwo me akpɔ ɖa be ɖe enua ke nyo nam le ɣeyiɣia me ega ɖe zã li ɣeyiɣi aɖe lia ata ɖe ga ɖe faa azã gake ɣeyiɣi aɖe lia medze be naɖe ga me o gadzraɖo ɣi li eyi li wodzrana ga ɖo eyi li hã li woɖena ga eyi li woɖa asrɔ̃ eyi li ɖe wosrɔ̃na nu eyi li wodza ahia eyi li ɖe wonɔna ameɖokui si anɔ ameɖokui me ade ŋgble tso ame ƒe agble awo ɖoɖo ŋutɔŋutɔŋutɔ tso ame ƒe agble tagbea katã me mi la ɣeyiɣi ƒe nyae ta nufiala gbɔgblɔ na mi kpi ɖe ko be misrɔ̃ ale yi ke wowɔna tsatsia nyui kple susu be mi ma ava nɔ vodada wɔm anɔ zɔzɔm le ɣeyiɣi gbegblẽtɔwo me o. So that's how we start our show this morning. Bi ɖe koa tsatsia wɔwɔ ƒe nu ye nye srɔ̃gba le miaƒe Ŋdi Wɔna ƒe gɔme dze ƒe kpadze. So let's go back to the screen and let's finish with that motivational message again. Takpi ɖe koa mi gbɔgblɔm be you or we have to learn to make right choices at right times, because if you make a right choice at the wrong time, you may incur losses. A good decision at the wrong time can still fail. We have to learn intelligence to make right choices. All right, so we move away from that. Mi agare mi ape nyajojo bana to tiom. Ke mi aje konchu mi ape amuganto mafia. Mi akpo nkawe nye nyajojo gbarem. Zu ha chi ajishon jo mi ape amugan ntuame afia. Ke holiday.com news. Ye mi aje konchu holiday.com news. So let's go to holiday.com news quickly. And holiday.com who are here that again, Babajamwe, your own tepper, ano Najojo Camille Yapon Tome, Anon Kudamome, Anon Babashaba Waja plus Yano Nyayoka Camille Yapon Tome view where now bomb she get it. So that's what we have there. All right, holiday.com news. Mia ngwana ka creative ya jinamvi. All right. na ekpofuma nya jojo la fuma ikaka Kennedy a Japan. So echo ikaba ya MPP toro o dojolo alo o da o fwe jikufia le chome que le miapo bana malafuma. So we can see that a Japan dismissal protest erupts at NPP meeting. A Japan dismissal protest erupts at NPP meeting. Said in Atamaklo not jailed until June 24th. Minority. Said in Atamaklo not jailed until June 24th. Minority. British Airways pilot jailed for child violation. British Airways pilot jailed for child violation. Jacinta passes after completing Wasi. Jacinta Kubia Pierre dies after Wasi. Rubio urges action as Venezuela quick strike. And ministry hands Bolis High School teacher over abuse. All right, me awenye nyajujo ke mi akbole fia. Kennedy a Japan fwe nyare ke nyachoku wenye nyajojo ke kaka le MPP baji echo au wenye nyajojo ke kaka cho MPP baji au kira kwa choika tapapare no gym le gen la Lisa Hotel MPP toro over da ofa jibibi fia cho Kennedy a Japan fo unfo kule fa party amono nonchi oba kaka dada adegba fofo ble ashitoko wakbano no ekele Kennedy a Japan ma jebe ifon fo chachitra party anchi yar reko na funko apuna bakar manya party amato no o nyewe ne da mata ejebe onyera la party ama yenye nyaika nyanyaga la fuma kanyo bia pomele bana obushima ni suku viare ke dogo la suku yaura ke wai fanya ko bolmane ameka ngulo nya pasa kana suku vio ka dogo suku incho fanya nya amodu dopo adoko suku ka collapse alo jani mo ko troko shishi ko fio ko jani dogo o li bu wala tuji ko ide konji are kenya SD konji la sunyani bloco yo varo konji ko dokita ogloba o magavali olo nyama nya fokunyare ke jocho secondary school for the vio ko gato ko secondary school incho akonyama enya gare ke majuga mi bona era amu yo jojom kakayom the review dogucho senior high school ofudam alagbebe ta that is that me bona kulagare nyama okata le na pugani okay ke sedina tamaklo yikanye Maslow micro loans for dopa gafi vito dopa ye maje mafuma ka pira kon kenya kuhia uba ai sadina tamaklo cho ya woda ba bale ke mekata misala ya balo jena sadina tamaklo mano prisonara ko MPP topo makukwero kwenyaje mano sadi sera topo mano prisonara ko afuma kono kaka yo va pardon rapsi biblio va li code presenta achomanu mi 24th of June yekwe o cheko rensa akbo nyate panya wana amade a prison na mare pa appeal woga na mare we achitachigare pa a ruling yi kan wo na nchi ha still a onye bo nya sentence ko jobo no prison afiano baba anu baba agrara ko no prison no ko ti bangu afira shinchi ya la pome. So setting at time close non jail until June 24th. A custodial timeline dispute has convulsed Parliament after the minority repudiated government's claims about the incarceration of former microfinance and small-scale loan center chief executive Sedna Tamaklo. The contention centers on when judicial custody actually commenced. The minority assessed that Sedna Tamaklo was admitted into prison custody only on June 24th, 2026, despite her arrival in Ghana on June 9th to begin serving a decade-long sentence. That assertion contradicts earlier commentary by Minister of State in charge of Government Communications, Felix Ofosu-Kwakye, who stated that she had been incarcerated upon repatriation. The divergence has provoked demands for documentary evidence, and according to the Minority Caucus, administrative records and remand documentation indicate a fortnight elapsed between her return and formal admission. Opposition legislators argue that this gap raises legitimate questions about procedural transparency and post-extradition handling of high-profile convictions. They insist correctional authorities furnish admission logs to resolve the discrepancy. Takbira kwa ube sedna tama kuloika Ghana la po jingya kama mila po ka sheka go no pomolo mano prison abale ka Felix Ofosu-Kwakye jiru domaga ka kpona mia po nyaoji le presidency danyang danang manami bleno efia ba kpira ko Ghana boglomba oblemi Felix Ofosu-Kwakye blemi namme the prison achika panajiba yonko yenye be agbogara hobia menye so Parliament blaming on that. So we want to interrogate that. Napogani ni gaganya mapan ton nyam kuganya ala le fia na apogani ta ono toji rokomaga nya ochoga trasa kwa ma a hutuma chuchu piade ta miatro de Jacinta penyanchi pirako English Notre Dame's High School is in a state of mourning following the sudden death of final year candidate Jacinta Pia moments after completing her West African Senior High School certificate examination. The tragedy has silenced celebrations across the academic community. Jacinta concluded her last paper on Thursday last week, the 18th of June, and exited the examination hall appearing composed. Shortly thereafter, she collapsed on campus, prompting immediate medical intervention. School authorities coordinated emergency transport to Fiapre, Seventh-day Adventist Hospital, where clinicians pronounced her dead on arrival despite resuscitative efforts. Non vi acquamile TV a Jacinta Dogo School, Poshaka Vaimaku, Mulodo to Poma, Mletola Yaura by Dogo School home, Jabanaka, but Blancho, Jesharkama, Noni Banaka Blancho, D. Rokojan. Oh, Billy Miva, people, where the Fiapre, SDA, Onji, Onyara Paco, Jakalika, Aku. Baba ne Jacinta pa boma. Jacinta time la awi bomaro baba ne Jacinta kubi apia kubi hawe baba na poma. Right, mia azorango akbo angakabarora ko. Kennedy a Japan ya le fia. A Japan dismissal protests erupts at MPP meeting on Ajepon's dismissal. Tensions boiled over at an Lisa hotel as demonstrators demanding the expulsion of Kennedy Ajapon from the NPP clashed with security during a National Executive Council conclave. The fracas exposed deep fissures within the governing party's hierarchy. What began as placard-bearing advocacy outside the venue swiftly deteriorated into physical altercations when protesters attempted to breach the hotel's perimeter. Accordingly, the party's stewards, police reinforcements were deployed to restore order as chants and counter-chants echoed across the forecourt. Delegates inside the National Executive Council session continued deliberation despite audible disruptions from the unfolding confrontation. Organizers of the demonstration accused the Assistant Central Legislator of conduct inimical to party cohesion, insisting that disciplinary action was imperative to preserve institutional integrity. Eyewitnesses described jostling, shattered placards, and a tense standoff between law enforcement and agitators. Several demonstrators claimed their petition had been repeatedly ignored by the party's disciplinary organs. All right, so the Kennedy Midashi Kennedy Onyang Kennedy Japan for Nyama a Jola Lisa Hotel at Yao Hamagano Tapapama le hotel macho Pamubado Chubu Chubu Kuno de Kennedy Pacham no Nyeralo, Ramagao no Nyeralo, Nkinapi Wono Nyera, Ipon Pope Rabaron, and a number a cow planko in a Pachama no Tano Nyera. Kayova, over Jimajijo, Jibiore, Malivio Core, Horashi, Ramono Ponoklan, Bogo, get your grandjoko, do dear Travajo, Kitty, a couple of play happy background, I would give a hotel passes over circular rule, a hotel gamma, open one on G. Let up a guy or Jim Ham, a gap with you at town of Mata Pubiton, Mati. Ramatabu, I own of you, Alba, Uroshoji. Odopa la kaka waka la kaka wala dopa takwa iji hau la cho ika va hima holder.com news na po ma katale na nyankosam le fisha fika na nkosam nyankosam la 0242 number ile TV ya jimi the number TV ya 0242 670773 yenye number ke mi atan ako gara kama backlim 0242 670 773 enye nomba loka pojeshika miatem asa acho agara kama paplim mikada mikbo video are ka chavya ko funo ji ale bo chichare mfiana are ka la sukuvi non vi hatu bo le laboratory fi ko fiana musukuvi ole sukadamu yeyo chocho munya sukule ma ole sukuvi ko dara projet do bo nyama kan pegara bene chichaya pasukuvia ke chalemia profuno dialogo na Ghana Education Service take action o jona ba interdite fiabo obana dashi da tonchi na ba yo kuma yo hatuno ke ministry hands policy no high school teacher of abuse ke minore fia chicha mame fia chichalo obo chichaji mo chichakpomo. The Education Ministry has appealed to the public for assistance in locating a Boye senior high school teacher implicated in alleged sexual misconduct, escalating an inquiry into breaches of professional ethics and child protection protocols. The Ghana Education Service has activated its disciplinary directorate to collaborate with law enforcement seeking to establish the whereabouts of the educator after preliminary findings pointed to gross violations of the teacher's code of conduct. Authorities say the alleged infractions compromise the sanity of the learning environment and contravene statutory safeguards for minors. Da o chicha jomo chicha pom ovito jirudope kakpona suku danya jokata olama owono chicha ma no li omo chicha ga suku vam nya do suku vi agbo yo gbara jama pe o de vi gbodon le suku laboratory awo amewo kokea wo diawo tso sharp camera phone kɔ tso gbɔdɔdɔ yi dzi katã hewu ɖe ya ta wobe mikpe ɖe yewo ŋuti ale be wodzi tsitsa ya ke nyemenya ne ŋdi ya asikui o gake ne kpɔkpɔ le TV dzi ko tsitsawo nɔnɔmetata ye ma dzedze le míawo TV dzi. All right, that is that. All right, ke mia azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ ke miakpɔ ya tsitsa ma kpɔ mi le afi ma ne nya fi ke na ame ɖe nye fi ke tsitsa ya le keke le bɔl ŋutɔ me afi ma dzogbatsi ƒe nyanya okpe ɖe dzrodɔwɔƒe ke kpɔna suku nyawo dzi be wɔa ale tsitsa ya sukuvi hã ŋuxlɔme kple tuturo dzi teƒe na me nya xɔm tso suku dɔwɔƒe alo dzi ke kpɔna ŋuxɔxlɔ ɖeviwo dzi. So he's going through psychological clinical psychology counseling care and support on sukuvia bo mega chichu enyo kekleto roko miaku makpo po kame sukuvia la fi ba de do ya moli akpasa so into yi o tue ko dare ponoji into kata meme wo baba jembe a plio ma baba jembe ya shio mo kata mama ko chicha ha ko bamano mi ko rashiro kinchina mako bochoro ki ko didiro ki ko bele konero ki nyen pe chicha pan palo ala be mio mi le wo fia mio mi ko video ya yo azu su video le ke no ga dia ka no su video ko do ma me ntia ike o goma wo muchu ma o muchu kata ula puta ho manya poni. All right, Potosu Court Whole Central in Thank You Tour. Potosu Court Whole Central in Thank You Tour. Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu, the National Democratic Congress Member of Parliament for Whole Central, has extended his post-election gratitude to Winners Chapel International in Ho, framing faith institutions as pivotal partners in democratic consolidation and communal advancement. The engagement formed part of his constituency-wide Thank You Tour, a deliberate effort to sustain the covenant between elected leadership and electorate beyond the ballot. No tata kwa mi TV ya jenye kwa hojichi na mechang to maji bola ike le sota kwa hame. Honorable Richmond Adam Kofi Potosu the Winners Chapel wa dakbono ebe je thank you to government. Je thank you to government. Abaleke so addressing the congregation, Potosu acknowledged the church's unwavering intercession, civic mobilization, and collaboration during the 2024 general elections. He characterized the congregation's involvement as indispensable to electoral integrity and community resilience, noting that moral capital generated by faith bodies often translates into heightened civic responsibility. The lawmaker also used the paper to brief members of legislative developments in Parliament, with particular emphasis on the Human, Sexual Rights and Family Values Bill and other consequential national matters under consideration. And so that's that. Potosubu you no Winners Chapel job that when a church here, but operating you jela koi comida for the couple of fine you by him. Kaji blogger church you, Hosabo, una mufum Jaconife, unanava, Tumofano nan to come la Kodai, Bla, Unanamu, O Shorel Matuname, A.G. for Botane, Winners Chapel ha. Bishop David Oyepopo ha theology of Fiaba, no AG, no, don't you want no more? I shall more on a pension of Yamara to come and Ayano Mikata, Fiaranafa, Mikatan, Piano, Whole Central, Parliament, away via Shatam, and Dakmanamu, Dakona, Yema, TV. You have a pologam supermarket, but you should be a poor, Dandreminative Laton, Amuro McBanan. kple galamo vovovo ŋuti afi wɔna miagbɔ mase woƒe gbedatsiwo megayi teƒe aɖeke ko ŋu ke ne metrɔ va mia azɔ ɖe ŋgɔ atso enyawo me tɔni magbɔe nɛ.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya teƒe me si dictionary aka azɔ afi di pasi ke. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton ya. Standard ya. Enyone de vio kanu le basic level. Enyone ame kanu le SHS. Enyone ame kanu le university. Alo le language on. Nenya me ke menye be vio. Ebi a strong be kra ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone ha. Ame sia me ke nenya be vi mo jura po. Ele bi a strong be ha. No silence ever English dictionary. Enyone wa mama. Ele dile go so ma de na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Alo number ke na call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can na WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa cover no akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon to.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Nivage Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Nivage Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo plentuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi nine junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what is? Let's go do it.
Oh, very much. But I feel like I'm to put. I have too much to toy. When it warms, but a killer.
Oh,
never have a fun. Never got too much to move. Come on, watch it go.
that another Abraham Baraka in LA. I party to call for Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Garawunya, Yapon or Passy Banico, who went on Yan Kurawa. Well, a Passy Coco for Yakokatara Day.
When not Chico,
Vavai, but I can lose to go. Intermica that as a Cremonton toe. Vola Paticawa, Busiolo, wait off here.
Why you vola tobo? You mon no Chicago, Mokung Jaja.
Vola chika no plan na zama fiva nana kama furaga nao mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika Miatomatoro ha was a volatica for Gigila.
This Vola Piki.
Yeah.
Vola baby.
Mauna, you don't vola at all. Or now, I'm son.
Vola Pachica la chica drapo kata. Alo gado pa doyo pamela apulawu Wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church at to La Hoa. A Paul old fashioned la appoint color popware. Gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street Wojango local restaurant to Opa Dopo la Budi Bauchugba Chungdiga Adrekla Afava Dashina Fiega Aton Kala Mamlida Gbawa Oja Dogoma Ndiga Andrekla Afa Badashina Ndogawi Afe Pokana Vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola
Vola basenta afima mi apota yola nyadeba vola e fiva lo akloli le fuda now alele le fuda now domadu le fuda now e chite padaka o futo makata mele to wonyi de wa e ti maklo no ba na ile vola heba center ikele jengo apla Victoria Park afima na kodo what come what puto Fukama tutu dokada Vola Heba Center Dr. Prosper Debeneba Come on Vola
Kadung kwajiba Vola
Mile toji plemi le miafe Ŋdi Wɔna me Tony Magwenye miaflo 0242670773 nye number kanata acho akwaro jebakni 0242 670-773 nye number ka natem acho ako aroje bakni long jiba na poganya mijona nyaoma ala be nyakli Ŋdi Wɔna toe ke majiba nyapeng chocho nyapanya globlo nyapa nyata kakao kata no garama fa alu na gamaswa mahwan ke nyapunya jubane de kava royo ke ha unyemya kwa duko mavio kwa tapo la betat koro daily times Don't change a winning team, Obed Asama calls for another team. Don't change a winning team, Obed Asama calls for another team. Amenfi West MPP chairman, Emma. Amenfi West MPP chairman, Yenyama. Ida ko agbo blombe. Na mango motrenyo. Na mango motrenyo. Ameyoka mitia ameke mitia onyang tepola na yo ye piaba abubutomro kiama roki abuba ya jira mo no ga China ya nye ofanu no la ye wo mole briefly that is that don't change a winning team. Don't change a winning team. Ye nyama blom Suba the one got time fan out of I got no Gigi, you know, as the chairman. All right. Nyagakbo nyabu warere fumara. GJ moves to respond after journalist contempt conviction. GJA moves to respond after journalist contempt conviction. Larry Dogbe, yikanya the Herald for managing editor panya elefia. O the Larry Dogbe amo nkaka mandrinaro alava mapupuaro pajiwa no banova court mavana da ano bon drop bon drop mabu ikanya contempt content von drola alo von dropo ko ma bu to he money ke jiru ko do ke pona nya chocho doro fo de jino bobu klombe ma atero jiba o a whole managing editor fia ba in tomaga la herald or di monke ke o mandreson majijina ta yo na no ga chunchi. All right. Ghanaians call for investigation into Bibiani Dovsu office. IGP to probe alleged abuse of power. Ghanaians call for investigation into Bibiani Dovsu office. IGP to probe alleged abuse of power. So residents and concerned citizens of Bibiani have called on the Inspector General of Police, IGP Christian Tete Yohonu, to initiate a thorough investigation into some alleged abuse of power in the Dovsu office. All right, I will be getting to Povito 50 Polifuyaro, Le Ufa Povito Tofa Paloje, Kakona, Apam, Yongo, the view for Kukioji, Namara 1 year, Alum, Babrana La Forma, or Usunane, She, Koko, Chone, Quena, no can give you, Yongo, Apamanya Globuji, but. All right, and this is government rebuilding broken health system. Dr. Segwevia Health Transformative Agenda under Mama administration urges NDC grassroots to support government achievements. Dr. Segwevia Galafia, a chachan to Mumba, you are the poem la conjinya jalweta, a jubulum bogachen, you. Alwayo Udonyaji, Central Refinery expansion to create 1,500 jobs. China Port. Paper for the FMA, Minister for Energy and Green Transition, Jurukwatawaga Ikakwana Energy Nyaoji, Ogoblong Pirakowa, Central Refinery, Tome Mihoshikufa, Kple, Dahoye, Uru. Amida foi coro le centro un toma penya bom na ba ma beraka alfa ton so ga to problem to mama yo maunawe. Africa today, Africa today, Africa today. Galamsey crisis faces Kwe, who Iran chief from school to shut down. Galamsey crisis forces Kwe, who Iran chief Chrome school to shut down. All right. Dawa Galamsey now another Kwe, who Iran chief tall was Sukuarema achieved na bongo. I should think that's what it is. Galamsey crisis forces Kwe, who Iran chief Chrome school to shut down. No, that's what we are coming as Sukuimo Skuvamle. Kwewu ntomo, kwewu iranchi ntomo, Galamsey kuku, another the view, the vituko gakbom, who gakbon cha 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 cha. I sukumano gamo bumbe, I go, I come, I'm more emailing the funeral mota, no Galamsey kukolo. Ga Central MC details municipal strategies to combat flooding. Ga Central MCE details municipal strategies to combat flooding. Ga Central again, what is an tom of Momifia, Apum, of Nia Loyo, Jabayo, Chinatasha Motor, you were Dim Tom. All right. Council affirms Plakuchi's legitimacy as needed to Aplaku, the first 6 tighten security for community peace once Homo Festival troublemakers. Dala Plakuntome, Egifiagao, Unoi, Arabo, Kwajiwe, ni Kwe, Aplaku Banto, Enfia, Kenya, America, Chavon, Shijafma, over your sentinel, Namarabia, womb, Furiarica, Kunya, Valley, Contoma, the Tapoga Cavanto, Homo Bona. Da no humo bonaka maro nyama blemu tuvu anu elemu kaka anu blemu ne kachako fika lamelio your care. Cancellation of Zoomline YE contract worsens Accra flooding communities, consultant declares. a mari ke nyem tso edu tutu kple iforoɖo ŋuti gbɔgblɔm be eyi ke wo dziɖuɖu va tso afɔkpo zoom lion ƒe contract alo megbedede ke dziɖuɖu nɛ be wòanɔ gɔta me kplɔm va nɔ gbeɖuɖɔ lɔm ɖa kple tɔwo le sikio dzi wo ne wo kaba ŋutɔ gasubɔ gbã nya ɖo gbã eta wonya zoom lion ɖa be megawɔ dɔ ena be gbeɖuɖɔ va tsi gɔtawo katã me yina tsi amewo ɖe ŋuia enunya la ɖe gblẽ. Government to acquire 30% of large-scale gold output from July 1. Mekpo dɔmegãɖewo le fi ya, wonye dziɖuɖu dɔmegãɖewo le fi ya. Sami dze fi le me wòsẽ ke wo gbɔgblɔm be fifi ya tso ƒe dzi míagbɔna ƒe ŋkeke gbãtɔ dziɖuɖu gbagbatse ke be sika ko alɔfa ɖeka yi ke wokua blatɔ anye dziɖuɖu ta dziɖuɖu sika babla sika gago bablawo blatɔ ƒle alɔfa ɖeka me. Dr. Segbefia on Mohammed's health sector overhaul urges NDC grassroots to support government achievements. Dr. Segbefia on Mohammed's health sector overhaul urges NDC grassroots to support government achievement. Dr. Segbefia, ikani mionto mia wadukɔwo me tɔ ɖeka gbɔgblɔ ne kɔkata be wodem gbe ne dziɖuɖu aleke le gbogbo la be dziɖuɖu teƒe wɔm le kɔndzi nyawo me. Tɔtrɔ vovovowo le tome fia yi ke na be fia gbetɔ gakuku mo. Vevi megamewo kɔkɔdzi ŋko ama naxe axa ɖe dɔ le yi ke ana wɔlɔ be atsɔ yi tsia ta dziɖuɖua le abla dem ale gbegbe eye wotakpɔ ne kɔndzi nyawo eɖewoe nye amedo abɔbabla femaxi, amedodokpɔ femaxi wɔnawo, eɖewoe nye emɔnukpɔkpɔ na dɔwɔlawo be nɔkpotɔ, eɖewoe nye kɔndziviviwo tutu kple kɔndzi gãgãgãwo tutu ɖe míaƒe ŋutɔwo katã me, chiefs compounds kple tɔ mɔ katã nya be edze be esɔna ƒo abɔta ne dziɖuɖua agana be yɔnu via dzi. Ya ŋutɔ ebe yeava zu dzidzimenɔlawo kpe ɖe ŋutɔ ne NDC le Ghana katã eta wotsatsam ŋutowo me ŋuƒom na amewo eŋuwo me ɖem na amewo be sugbe woda akɔ na. All right, daily graphic. Yeah, the daily graphic. Government mines seal historic gold pact. 30% large-scale production goes to gold board. Government mines seal historic gold pact. 30% large-scale production goes to gold board. Taima, over here. Bajunya bana pang banto ko masame ka shika le bososo gara mako na kiko mama blaton la lofa shalo far kaba ira jirua mama blaton le alofa de ka shalo far kama aine chidudua. First National Disaster Risk Strategy underway. First National Disaster Risk Strategy underway. Duko kata adamu ike yo detuma alawe afuku patama galu nyaje wa duko eno we takpepeji ming makung ya dang deng ming strong chongke ya ta lo sube fuku patama galu nyaje popopo. Bill to end witchcraft accusations under consideration, local government minister. Bill to end witchcraft accusation under consideration, local government minister. I will say, I don't sort of have you bagajam. You don't get a bona, miapa de dino, le miapa mutoma, to view, quagologioma, le mia de goma, Gmon, cata assembly, council, cata, vajicola. A woman via you. Sir, do what on your choice, so talk about your chin. A shift of Yamana when I jeto, a shift of jeto, Fiaro no banyan macro, a gaw, Fiaro, or Vatodar, Dada, Fuaro, Dad, Dura, Dura, Mutu, Manavanu, or Pojatiare, a la Boba, and ye, a chateau. of Yashivuno Yajatoko, or Rala Modu, Amaro Yanao, or banish what to 2 years, but that war, man of the more Fubreto, or of Manu, like a so many crowd. Joba Jefiarolia, Unyana Mo, have I taught that to Agodo, go around of Male, but Hofi Viarome, Ufona, Platifa, Uhanatu Funao. Ronya ba waktu no iwa chongwala ukopla tobuko oba rona ba no go ba dukra na mawo ko chuga ne ko platro tu ka ka ku janga ka ja ba onya jo manya che to enyu ka na ko pla ku o mu janyire haji ka ja ba cha to ere ka na ko pla mu fun kuma enyi ko ka wa we ra bo no kata berenya mu babo kata utuma be joy o be yo no cha ya shin mon chi me buta me ho yesu ya pagbo avo all right me a daily guide Sedina was not in prison for 15 days NPP Sedina was not in prison for 15 days NPP One to me, lawyer urges court to defer judgment. No change in Apostle Kwajosafo's funeral date. Family. Herald editor jailed for contempt of court. Herald editor jailed for contempt of court. Gold Board Mines Chamber signed 30% large-scale gold purchase deal. Takbira ko nyo kwa milafuma onyanya yo ka fota reji said na ta ko lamo se o fa gana ka bia to so ko chira fo ro ko odi mo abale ko jebo no ino bare glombe e MVP to gbogblom o tumi o senyala atachia gbogblombe e chogba la ko ina jiru fa bon dropa ga i ko jebo to fiani le pajin bana kan ka to gba ike Mutaka Mubraki, Kenya Minister of Interior, Jiru Domagaka Pona, the Denyon, Bovito, Plato, Panyaji, or Miano Pome, Alaba, 1st July, Kenya Republic Day, a Jakuraga to Chuko, Shiragweta, Nkakamanto by itself is a holiday. So, Ubuntu free is free a bit. Atachaba, Yerakuku. Ye talk by la coin upon my bird, not to upon Dodro, I will fiat to Kakoyin Gobera, I love buying a senala ye. I watch you now, Katai Kajina Yakbo, ye beer registry, can you manage it like a bona, Mshami Kaj, but not so Balona Yahlo to my later Yaoi, Yakobiamaka, Yakamaka, Blunkajo, not the rapid or buffon. Tumata. Alaba ne dodo lia ya ota no bojirina e ke biabro talk bara ya para baru bawa servicio o seje no teografi solidamta bonjola my lord tutun ke ka ko en gogol ne nya bo nya da chara ka baru ko nya de untumi dale nyama ha Apostle Kojosafo Fumatoba Kaka Yoruba yo fufudia Madakalajo a tu bedio, a tu pemajo, a tu motanamaro, a tu moturamaro, oh Apostle Safo Emeritus Professor Apostle Safo Katanka Ikanya Akbono Graga na Christo Safo Perhamale Hika Katanga Godu Egara Yoma Kwe Abale Kayodi Ke Nyajozobala Renkonya Herald the father Rayajobalo yeah but Domaga Yono Tatabala Fuma Himaleta Kuliko Yame Yota Santo Manma o Dimon Kakawandre Mama Boom Uchu Unyale Bom Udo Dromo Primavago Ukatuni. Alright, Mia Ason Aidengo Akbo the publisher, the Ghanaian publisher. Gold board for Nyagalafia on the book, gold board, the banner headline so called. You know these guys, you know, they make the news, they have the money. They make the news. Go watch our channel, see from daily graphic to every paper, except Ayukalamugantomavia. Sami Jampi ba say yara yo doro yaro plus napa jingatroko. Nanya chusika gagoma alfraka for yo blato plagalamano. Minority questions tariff hikes. Minority questions tariff hikes. Deputy ranking member on the Energy Committee Collins. Adomaku Mensa, you know, that time I NPP toba Kenya mwa. Kaba dadamura kari pole chief of nka kari are do le shishintwe. Adomaku Mensa yenya biam kabanto no dedi jo kadi prefer. Kantanka feud family 6 Akofena's re-arrest. Kantanka feud family 6 Akofena's re-arrest. Bigaile Kantanka fanyagbo ube Akofena ike nyo sofwe ko chiabana no Kristo sapo hama ngwe ko roshi anu bonoli. Amaya demolition victim sick Mohammed's house. Ugba ho re ikanya church hall amayan to me bra ho ro kan ka hamevio bi jala gbagba alabo uba yo mo lo grecho yo mo lo kra yo hiana tu koplo la ba garanya yo mo lo the new center charge jails Larry Dogbe despite service notice dispute. Judge jails Larry Dogbe despite service notice dispute. Larry Dogbe, ikanya the Herald, nyajujo bana for akponu gra, ngolaga, alamo. Over never, mevamo. Larry Dogbe, bag bana ko chok be a chick block, bag pale, ko sobe na ya makbu. Kaka. Bon draw for door over your training. A rubber. Like the Vatican Marubo. The matter won't number like do be jack, you just have to not over to him. Or her to him. Catherine Engman, the renowned ballroom builder. Catherine Engman, the renowned ballroom builder. Catherine Engman, MD of Mindful Governance. Don't be a real fear, we have wool and you and over for Catherine Engman. But Nyaro Lefiana, no count. Gold board raises gold up to 30% from 20% agreement with large scale miners. Amaha demolition, victims seek mammoth intervention. Tema fishers blame low catch on climate change, illegal fishing, and all. Tema tofudolo glomba fishia yomoga akbalemu alabe amagblekwaru ko acho do fifio cho akpawulu kata ro me la chama amuhama chizam mamanyo. All right, the Daily Statesman. Minority takes on government over utility tariffs increase. Cabinet approves state assets protection bill, anti-corruption plan. Osei Asensio calls for vetting reforms in MPP. And Kantanka family wants attempted murder charge against Akofena. Kantanka family wants attempted murder charge against Akofena. Kantanka family no lack of an air, no no lila. You no no jagwa no buffon be a jagba yoche alo da whatever. Que para la fia gouvernement pipi to yo no ro ye chu ko akota tanya onti. Ehin ala gbegbe. Que cabinet ikenya mahama kple ogbon glan ko do kple kata tashire pa me te jidudu fa kashinongo na no na ma pepe maka grama to ko be aleke wole am ikenya ma fiti ho za mu bra ko taranya makata olefia. All right, the Ghanaian Times. Government secures 30% gold take-off deal with mining firms. Bank of Ghana tightens sanctions on that check offenders. It's here, my Kenya Central Bank. Don't make a small woman when you're no but I'm not going to have who got if account. What I will show you, you go, but you know, long, my record. Telecell codes program Nature's next generation of digital innovators. Telecell codes program Nature's next generation of digital innovators. You see our Telecell, you can use that from Java, you Marohambo, strong, more than you got that on no fungi. Ghana needs preventive disaster strategy, not more. You don't forget afokupa taupo jojoji boblombe Ghana rifike Ghana rufia ajabe yoja gwasha gwa ko sube yode onare to mpe sube afokuma gana jojo mafia no tuchi ano amofo ekoje people echina da mo jonabi afia oyoyo awo rufia ajabe afokudo kwa maganye akaga abano mokuku olomo ka yo nede wona to mpe sube afokuma gana jojo. All right, daily analyst. Government to introduce new bill to protect state assets, Mahama. Government to introduce new. Okay, so that's Banaope representation. Banadakare Puma Beke do Bila Hogaka Bana Blumber, Jiru Jibiako, so ye recover Posube Markamaga, Achoko Apple, Jirufa, Aniba, Choyaro Jirufana cover, as we told. The MPP refers petitions against Kennedy to disciplinary committee. Canada, Japan, no that Televia. Chokavaya, Belke, Manamia Dumbo, La Lisa Hotel, MPP, do MPP, Amalgam, Ground, you can have no down, Taco Puerto Caramaco. Over Patia, Pamaro, Ruquano, Utano, Pato, no Haji, no Jamashim, Kennedy, Najo, Mina Kennedy low. Una never dura by Jicaka, Purito, and Graham, Waputa, Taco Pay, Jihoungaga, the Taco or Niagram will have the Kennedy, no near the Patiama, no Kuna Patiapa, Lodger, you can get Takbaha, you could bona to her Penyaji, Alvaro to her Roger, or John Kennedy, launching the Canon Padom. Ghana's public debt hits 726.7 billion in 2026. Ghana's public debt hits 726.7 billion in 2024. I beg your pardon. Ghana's public debt hits 726.7 billion in 2024. Ghana per Agbaru Ejireji Ro 726 billion. Ghana talk about Elsubare Jiru Agadoga corporate chatonchi. Larry Dogbe conviction unfortunate Ghana Journalists Association. Jupa Dobeke Pona Nyachuka Kalao for the General of Bobo Combe. Yo for Hamavi Domatora Kakin Larry Dogbe Cole also that a mobile Kakama Andrea Fiora Shinsho Dugabai Yonyajila Kota derivation to minority alleges contempt of court. Over 15-day delay in setting a term of imprisonment. MP ne Mensha South, AJ Bafo, Ewa, no tatama of Mac Miracle Blomber. Your MPP told you put it where setting a term of Lomo a guy here, a Hatuni, a whole one must work a Hatuni, you play Ghana, Amaro, O Bafoni. La boom, I touch a coida in Sawan prison for a bunker call maybe at the are strong, you know. Business and Financial Times. So many things here. Open banning and the stewardship of a borrowed environment. I'm not going to show Dr. Ju Laguta. Do domira fia be nyanye jikpola na miape anyigba ya ome eto petugba o eli api mi va eli vi va vi choro ta ezebe nyache bo washe gba prosube ima gbelo wala parama ya bijo jo to gba ngore gota ne to jo gba Joroba Yamocho, Manu Anigba, kple eƒe amenyinuwo ke le toa me hã gblẽna. Eti hã etrana tsɔna nu yiwo ke le ƒe ƒu me. Wòyina ʋuu va zu ge ɖe eƒe tsinoƒewo ge ɖe eƒe tɔwo me menyo. Anyigba ɖeka ko Mawu na mi, bubu aɖeke megali o. Mi gbẽa miatrɔ. Cancellation of Zoomline contract worsens Accra flooding. Aɖe eva yi woɖe Zoom la tɔ ɖe ŋgbe be womegano tɔ. Anyigba kplɔm ano aleke ko wowɔnɛ akpo Zoom la tɔ no gɔkɔtame kukom kple tɔwo woƒe ganyawo me menɔ kɔkɔm o, yewo ɖe asi ŋuti. Ŋgɔ katã le me. Fifia gɔta sia gɔta kpeɖuɖɔ le me. Aŋeguiwo kple aŋetowo le fi sia fi le gɔtawo me. Ne tsi be yi teƒe dzi miato mekpɔm o, ke tsia fo kɔ ke da ke va mɔ dzi ke kaka be miava fo me. Abosoman Kotere. Mese gbogbo ya funam la. Abosoman Kotere Credit Union records 145% growth in net surplus. Oba Abosoman tome to susu habobore boga. All right. Succession gaps threaten survival of family businesses. Succession gaps threaten survival of family businesses. Over for ashi chapo yo kimi dona po me fiaso po me pe ashi chacha yo ke ya ji ashi karamote no na inji na ne to po ro la opo ala be na ma ku ko me ka hoto awore te fa me ga no na yin. GCB Bank named West Africa's Regional Bank of the Year. GCB, Ghana Commercial Bank, Jirufe, Gajarufe, Ghana Commercial Bank, Kemikata Young Tom, La Copo Mokata, Uber, Wawenye, Lejapon Tomakata, Fiakata, Bank Ikauntepa. So GCB Bank named West Africa's Regional Bank of the Year. Congratulations to Ghana Commercial Bank. GCB Ghana Commercial Bank le West Africa kata onye number 1 le Togo, i Benin, i Nigeria, i Cameroon, i Burkina Faso, Liberia, Sierra Leone, Milumiaji. All right. Government seeks to close gap between research and policy execution. Jiruba fifia Amoroko anu ngongrom ronya sukuo de ongongo agari alara paroji were research thesis long essay project work tan tobaro yo kanye statistical services of statistical economic affairs o kata o ngongrom sha o mu le lendara ngaka o mo wona do so je kyo akevifia government be na mare kun do pana ni jibana yo we ade yo ja Palma Hogger at them Kumano Terre Ajiaodo. Research Oliza, even former Minister of Environment, would document that it's a paper. So, research, but the academic research, research is research. And if it's good, government must do something about it. All right, Community Banking Board, GSA, Community Bank posts robust profit growth. Board GSA Community Bank posts robust profit growth amid expansion push. Board GSA of Community Bank all right. Magacho paper deco of Henyaton Kumahodo be there. The Daily Searchlight. Utility price hikes, killer to 24-hour economy agenda. Minority sites rising costs betting on industry and consumers. Utility price hikes, killer to 24-hour economy agenda. Minority sites rising costs betting on industry and consumers. Dade, Kadi, Fletchy, Wafaji, Anya Naneke, Agblem. So, Jindru for one agbanto eke urebapa. So chibe anye do ndi latro plesa. Sakple klepo dora ike 24-hour economy yogmana oga. Mateji jege na o dadane kari kple edzo vasi dzo miaron kudia no bloba me o keto ke zama o didi kari fono me shan banglo bana along no ko be e 24 economy MPP don kuro me jina du aja kla du ko be along na mi ba me keto ke zama o ko fe na didi ka ke no ba dadane kari kple to ji ko ke 24 economy ato me tembra ji jago. More controversy over Sedina Tameklo. Minority raises allegation of 15-day delay in jailing former Maslog boss Sedina Tameklo sparks fresh political controversy. That Sedina Tameklo man kekevia toro son va yo bobagara o konobem. Fike la Tameklo fiko la fi babli icho I think cho ba chi ba dar sound ba no bo yoli. All right, the informer NPP MP holds ministers balls. Hey, NPP MP holds ministers balls as Sedna controversy deepens. All right, Sedna Tameklo tatagraph ma still. Fine said in a Tameklo. Hey, I'm not fine like anyway. Ocho ako dare prison bank afiga. Agbalenyo. MPP member of parliament. But hey, attention up bro, said in a Tameklo fike give Amos legal teeth to defeat Galamsey minority. Emmanuel Amakofi Boye Kenya Jiko don ka kona Ewenyigba kple to mo pe khoshi kple nana yo kama ona mi chocho manchi bo blomba o gbagbo ni bade no na mse Amos jiru na ba dem gbani alaba okpara bade Galamsey se ma to za. Flooding crisis tightens sanitation laws, GPCC tells government. Flooding crisis tightens sanitation laws, GPCC tells government. Mikbo Apostle Dr. Eric Nyamichon Tatarefia, Blair. Ahmed Ibrahim, Ikenya Jiru, Fodonga Kakona, Yapon to socio, Yap assembly, or council, Kataji, the Kanakataguto, Bombe. A Penteco say ha, Apostle Gang, Bobloni. Say you go, you go continue to trade a firm one on tia, a sound odor. A sum of a domata tangas it all, upon Madame Ton, cheer move Madame, a self of domama, and our chamorem. PWDs, people with disabilities fund thieves warned. PWD's fan thieves won. Mekbo Queen Star Mami Pokia Soya no tata de fia. Bogbobe mi amokata wometo womito kwa gauchim gago choro mi akople mutong crutches wheelchair kakavi mi akona wometo chichi plato mi akopara mo chi ko wometo mi gauchim no lora chakore. Attention na milo. Queen Star Yaglo assembly pour gayo que jiru kona ronaro pour mama aton onhi ye ne people the disability fund ta ne gamova ko amonye pian ko wo mi to ha manya do assembly abamoro na ko so baganto manya soni ha do runchi aron ku aro lo sho kon pa aro tu ha do lo sho kon sago ko e ko ka maro no no do ba ta na problem. People with disabilities, I think 20%. Yeah, it should be 20%. Birakwa, a guy who jiru koran assembly of mama mare inane people living with disabilities. Manyaba 5% inane MPs common fund. The inane suku de I think 20%. So that's it. NACOC commemorates World Drug Day, Nerves Drug Campaign in 3 billion Ghana city meth bust. Jupa dope ke mona ameyo ke wono gbemachivon pa shichamji ole pariare que ya small sham 3 billion Ghana cedis bebe for amachivon yo so de akakuto ko me chokao ko hlao aba karo mo Australia to come in o ba lo if I got more. All right, the Republic Press. The Republic Press. You heard you must have got a rule me about Domagata. I don't care. I didn't hear about you. Okay, the Republic Press. Back tonight. Period. Kasua NDC in fresh crisis. Officials shut down radio station. Promise to stage comeback. Wow. Kasua NDC in fresh crisis. Officials shut down radio station. Promise to stage comeback. The internal wrangling within the National Democratic Congress in the Wutu Senya East constituency has escalated dramatically after the alleged forceful closure of Kasua-based Obatampa Radio following days of controversy over a leaked audio recording said to involve the constituency chairman and the area's member of parliament. The latest development has heightened political tension in Kasua, with police deployed to the premises of the radio station to maintain law and order after workers were allegedly driven out and station locked. Hey, lawlessness. Ayo la Kasua ma radio station ada la fuma. Iko yuna Batampa. Ika ubesaba shima nolane party al Kasua ma ba pung la fuma. Agbunya poto party apa ntuma ma pa member of parliament inchi. Nyongwa enye member of parliament nchua enye chairman ko Richard Basuka Danyama Madagana Michova Shima don't like against Roto, Muchuaba, member of parliament. You can Nongma Bottom. Nongwa, you can member of parliament, Lusota, how I had Roto. God never at a shama blow. Ye Cliffer, a jammer, Nuona room for Lon Vivina. Per peronoro regadare ama monaco aloase enke hanya ve ya shimano la be ha ba su member parliament e ba su dura ko anya la ko la nke jo ke bana jo ko radio station ka nya du chwe amaro yo ke nya amadu o bai ba de pa fu de pa alo two radio stations nyatola ora nyamanya nyarmo juga mi kona napo ganye kple minute blato haina ke minority demands answers over missing 15 days before Satan's jailing. GJ stands with Jail Herald Managing Director. The Herald Domega where I have more le prison nyala fia woblomba jirupa dope kanye habobo jirupa habobo ekakona sanyalas nyajuzo kakala for the woblomba ojinafa dogbe me lik bakleo me lik pleos. All right, me awun chronicle Safo family's plea charge Safo Akofena with attempted murder. Umato yokanye Safo kataka umato the kaima kojo Safo opo na ya jokaka ko woblombe yo hiana ko vitobe wo bufon Akofena be ejabagba be ya wu Safo ajo Safo Minority calls out government over hiking utility tariffs. LFIA. MPP told Aola. Bomo, I know that damn there. Joke for you. All right. This is a rejoinder CSO's Lord MIF's investment in electrical. Unglok banade over Choi Mechlivai. Over Dodorava ud the Voade Chronicle the Vota topic my comic book Choi Kavaya. It has been rejoined. It has been rejoined. So the attention of the Minerals Income Investment Fund has been drawn to a publication titled CSO's Land MIF's Investment in Electrochem, published in the Chronicle newspaper of June 24, 2026, which created the erroneous impression that MIF has increased its equity investment in Electrochem Ghana Limited. MIF wishes to state unequivocally that the publication CSO had MIF's investment in Electrochem is factually inaccurate in that regard. Tak bila ko over document kayo mila kanya MIF ikek bila kanya Minerals Investment Minerals Income Investment Fund. Minerals Income Investment Fund. Minerals Income Investment Fund. MIIF in Minerals Income Investment Fund. Java don't bakosio kemipuna. Gao ke dona chuma fi ke enya gake vi ke gao katavana abo nyafikawe wo chogamo akod aparu aba gana jireji. That your MIIF Minerals Income Investment Fund or your chogane electrochem young Ugaru choga or Domatora. Domagayo Kele Minerals Income Investment Fund by your Bonya Jomale, Chronicle for Kudagbe, where Tagbanto Jekemikani, Yaman of Yamarum Jemma, Obama Ramata le Sama Ajawa Chronicle Ava Bubo Aurora and the Kupure Memo Vita, you're never rejoinder. So that misinformation has been rejoined by Chronicle. All right, Miawunu, the global purchase 30% of gold produced by large-scale miners. All right, Bana Wuonyang Bulamonia PPR. Kagba Pomonia PPR, Ele Banota de Roma Topak Baneka, you have a PP Yashake. Romans 12, verse 19. Romans 12, verse 19. Do not take revenge, my dear friends, but leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, it is mine to avenge, I will repay, says the Lord. Romans 12, verse 19. Do not revenge, my friends, but leave room for God's wrath. For it is written, it is mine to revenge, I will repay, says the Lord. Agbala ko maya people Roma tofa banata bi over ya sheke egbo blomba mega buffon o. Mega bia o na holon. Dashi enye Yehowa nchi ba madenye jiku fia ngbagban ola o. O nwe dari be won ba bia tonyin to ha tonyin Yehowa mau eble npola Tony Magboy enyami akpole Ŋdi Wɔna mai ma bajo do chicho piare ahu badashicho nyama bada gwana matrova ma ayi da wonaji magajo.
No silence ever English dictionary. But see dictionary aka so afi e passe K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view enyuna de vio kanu le basic level enyuna ame kanu le SHS enyuna ame kanu le university alo le language on na nya me ke manya begbe fiu e bi a strong begbe kra ha Muslims ebe English dictionary enyuna o ha amasia me ke nya begbe mo jura po e bi a strong begbe ha Muslims ebe English dictionary enyu na wa mama na la din le boso ma de na kula atia place order le Amazon alo number ka na call screen Nigeria opo le kana WhatsApp afisi african la nya call Muslims ebe English dictionary akwa conveno akpe Muslims ebe English dictionary enyon tom.
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Rex Teaches. Afienye nyongo kple kple penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear, you can name them. Sport wears for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne eina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobie na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu afima emie lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go do it.
Oh, Boye ma. Ti bara kple mlo keke do Boye. Tanya tuma traditoy. Bonye Amos kple.
Oh.
Ne ma fam. Ne ma tanga tumu. Ma no chiko. Oh,
Dari nabi Abraham fi baraka inele ya pati ke tipane gbogbo ya wa. But Hagbena didn't run fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Bunny who went on Yan Furama. Well, a party for Yahokatara. Vai, but I cannot sugo. It a big at the Cremonton top. Vola Paticawa, Busielo, wait off here.
Where you vola togo. You man no Chicago, Mokbong Jaja.
Vola chika no ple na zama fiva na kama furaga na mashama nazi
nyapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika nya to matoro ha wo za vola chika fofo jijila ama
this vola piki vola baby
ma una yura vola to ona una masa
vola pachika la chika drapo kata alo gado pa doyo pamela akblawu wo jango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu la hoa apola old fashion la akwe kala hwahwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wo jango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbewa oja dogo mandiga andrekla afa madashina ndogawi eve pokana vola le 0244 512 1450
Vola Nina nemiayi Vola eba senta Afima mia poto yola Nyadeba Vola Efi valo Akuloli le fuda now Alele le fuda now Domaru le fuda now Echi de padaka Ofuto makata Mele tomo nyidewa Eti makolo noba Na ile vola heba senta Ikele jengo aplau Victoria Baka Afima akodo Wotu akame Wakuto Wofukame Wofukame tutu dokada Vola heba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba Akodo Come on Vola
kadon kwajiba vola pachika monyuna funo nyonu yonu nama
Nami ba milere ka ma ka le point ba ti be point Ŋdi Wɔna chi Tony Boye ba akpanami yo acho ikaba ya wona re ji ke wona donkia ka bazu hachi ya shisho kata kwam acho enye MPP to jolare odo afia ba am hachi chwaro le MPP amo ba kene ya Japan na jolare pon ko ma jo e pon ko ma laro e pon no na mfoji ku da kple amojuju kple to kata fia ba do mona ka cho kene ya Japan chio atia ba gbalo aro meten bana ji be la ko da kene bana nyama nya de kele nya wota ba jibe ma khodo mo chichu pia ne mia ba bo ma kana mo choba nya zoren Nkola enye kwa millennium TV ajifialo ni mi po enye hunya de ike NPP macho la Alisa Hotel da Alisa Hotel for mom tutuchema awo po amema jani amaro wafuma akobo sohe okomu konye over be your our demonstration alo yo na bacha pa glonglan yo kenye Kamachio alo hamomo down no de kenda dia jeponda no di rapati alo no nyi ala bi pon popo no na Amos so hambe yodome ta akpoba Alisa Hotel a fini a ma jojona ne Alisa Hotel popo Alisa akpoli akpototoli mi bo me denga TV ajina akpototole Alisa Hotel nchi oto kwara hotel akatanchi inyangba nton je mi akode yeshi bo afina gere na to poto ma gere hotel a compound afina gere abuwa ma security check na hukume na lo onaga na fo boot okpome enwuli ocho daro wa ete okok aba hwe na okokpo wa tera plus nane langwara aro tuara aro na ro wata o makata ke ochona na cho su wanchi ya kpo watera onye modang no kpo tu aro langwara le fuma ha kpo budme afi ofu agboro na gere kpome tanyi kpome le ba efia ke bana male o bana hem evu pakroa enye Alisa Hotel kpoame tafia ba uto getang ogere kpome ke nyatakaka problème o jagwa be yo tofma khoya kpome milera enye reception dan tofma fuma pe busikpaji na gagara mo busikpaji nya ndu fe plato miam nya hanu fe ke conference room mo peri oli hok peri ola fuma kata ko da ogere deva afuma garwa enyo le hotel ape do management go nchi ya enyo ne ogo chobalare aro jibiara kajebanka amare na didi cho hotel ama batu gake o awo meno wo ko avu amaro pa we ma kra ovu blo ro ma chan MPP anya alo MPP anya Kenya mwa ugo kulomba kenega jipo amayo poku Kenya bora ame poku Kenya over MPP ya pam gao nya kenega jipo rang bara be pon fom sora gaji pon fom no na flimo o shaina pon foko edzana be mele patia tutumu alo yo pano no wona beke pati buara mo to nya chivale lutu ene no nyeno jo ala wa yo fo gba mo pe jije mo yare ka wo fo sese ufo e pa dada e pa si toto ko chume e mama no mia patia agba nya ko so no ba alba mahle 0242 670 enya number kaji nya tem atu adem nya pa no afiam. All right. Mia ajagomecho Emmanuel Kusogwa. Good morning, Brother Tony. Brother Tony, that teacher, the law must punish him very well because some of the teachers, they are destroying our children's life. I'm Emmanuel Kusogwa from Way. All right. Ta makaji Emmanuel non funcho chicha ike cho bowling to amara ike mikba be do sukuvi bo mikbo video ara ba chicha sukuvi boto le laboratory alunya to was wo me ya me okesona ncho jojo nyanya pleto achiko nchio wazuna dokita pleto mo o tepeli ko hana ole ko o da wuro kinchiko sukuri bottom so manya da ma inabo chicha mbali taro ko shijo ko bashijo alabe Ghana Education Service no ebe yo jim tamakajwe ma fanya blom imano kusopola. All right, I got a message at the hand. If MPP can divide, I'll be very happy because how these people treated us for 8 years is not good. Everything went high in the country. So I want to tell MPP they must sit down and they must sit down. Yes, they must sit down somewhere and allow the NDC to rule the nation. They should not be expecting to come to power in 2028. We are in peace in this country the way we are. All right, Emmanuel Kusobo, message now. Message the cancho, Ŋdi Tony. We are watching live from Soga. MPP should sack him before the base collapses. All right, Miano Virakala so wako no nye Canada Japan rang but no dida pachama happy plus we pachama gava a cacao. All right, Mr. Rakacho Pat, we have a part here. Morning, Chairman. Ewenyigba TV is the only station saying it as it is. Kennedy's behavior is bringing shame. All right, we thank you for a message. Pat, where Ewenyigba TV interform algo mi apo fu Georgina ya ba mi nyate ko tum tutu abale ko je bon no ine ke Canada Japan po no fu a mbe na patiata no nyelo. Okay, miana biraka ba kwenye mic cho akachi Ŋdi Tony, you are the best host right now. Kennedy has divided MPP enough. He must go. Mike from Akachi. All right, Akbe, Mike, where do Bendina me? Albaniapo na Ŋdi leke jomna ya lebe. Ŋdi ha a dodge jonai. Le amam no to ke bobo makena Blega, a cap MPP amano na nambe mama vavam patiame. Ta bojo Mike Chokachi ye do message ma them. Message vavam okay, text message Rakalafia. Good morning, Tony. You are watching live from Awudome. MPP will lose 2028 if they keep this man. All right, thank you for that. MPP, it will lose. It will lose. MPP will lose if they keep Kennedy at Japan. All right, so what do you want? You want Kennedy to go for MPP to win. Is that it? Okay, so we thank you for your messages. Okay, WhatsApp message, man. Message aroga vam gakai ha architecture mi achi bebe ta 0242670773 nya number ke na ten azanja gba message aro mi apoka ba tosu na ta troshinchi alba mona po mi jiwe nya ko na katara no clink o sha na pede she ho ba ami alo e nchocho dom damiema le minute de ka magba mona ko ga kwachi na po gagner une petite blane vo attends alors ne ashoba da shoka la chien aga trogava miago que ne mi trova mio tivio boy ma gava chien toli ma boy ma do shishito e filagbe na nyona mi. All right, message karagava to Emmanuel, but MPP as a party, I don't know what's wrong with them. I want to tell MPP party leaders they must do everything quickly. Otherwise, they will lose 2028 election. Fighting will not help them. Emmanuel, Edo message matter. All right, so that's that. That's a free counsel for you. MPP talk about no glad hey. When you get from Namio, I shy. mia kon polo I chache miachi da egbe fida po wona pasero penye machuma kwa chotu baba ni mia novio mpola yo kashi akule le gbama me wona tore le cheme wona tore ba fafaji ike mina hoho gba nya ba sese le jijinami nya ba mia homo pata ebe ngba tibi nya do hachio do waga mpola kata mi vaso ha bobo mi vaso mpola o ha bobo nya kata mi bobo na imba baba nami ke mana dong semi ala be miape lonoto miape novio yo ke mi regretto gbo ko yibo boire le maupe nkom. All right, message the kare va kwenye show miano vile ka ikecho abo ya eponam ya zunya holo to ya vala oji ro message dam fifila ke majibe makhlen hato wona na makhlen message yako mbubu arek magali iga wowoko ke nyacho wona ako akwachi de rei bele magbachi chiarota. All right, the last message you can share inyama le nyape TVRG fonye wele dojilo mama Crystal choabo aba fonye wele dojilo mama Crystal abo edo message madam. So mama Crystal I jump mama Crystal mino kama alawe enye miano vile kake mianko sem chabo enye jichoka manya progare na be abo mianko sem we mianko sem aplawu ko awudome mianko sem mi po message awudome gba mi po message ho gba akachi mi po message akachi ba mi po message soga ko gba ha yo kata nye jichon manya progare na mpola ei vai manami nyabe ni chowona akokwa chirefia Tony Magboya plomi ke koshrame na nyonami. Bye bye.
No silence ever English dictionary. Ya tepe. But si dictionary ka azon fi de passer K. No silence ever English dictionary standard ton yeah. Standard yeah. And you know the view. And you know the view can le basic level. And you know American le SHS. And you know American le university. Allo le language. Nenya make manya be view. I be a strong be kraha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know ha. I'm a see make nenya be view mo jura po. And be a strong be ha. No silence ever English dictionary. And you know mama. Nela dile go so mad na kula. Atia place order le Amazon. Allo number can I call screen Nigeria. Opo to me to the can WhatsApp afisi african la nya call no silence ever English dictionary akwa koveno akpe no silence ever English dictionary enyon to
Looking to ship products from Germany to Ghana? Ŋdi Services makes it simple. We ship groceries, health supplements, books, and everyday essentials directly from Germany to you. Imagine buying authentic groceries, toiletries, and fresh dairy hassle-free from Germany. Our reliable service brings the best of German quality to you. From cereals to health supplements, snacks to toiletries, we've got you covered. Shopping is easy. Contact Ŋdi Services and we handle the rest. Fast, reliable, hassle-free shipping you can trust. WhatsApp us at +233 591 415 506.
Hello viewers, welcome to Red Stitches. Afi enye nyongo kple ntuo penu tofe. Your wedding gown, your strauss, office wear, beach wear. You can name them sport words for both male and female. Ne miajima antewa kpomi le powerhouse le ho. Ne ina de Frajet Hotel. Nye le moji tututututu. Ne chobi na junction na de Frajet Hotel gbo tututututu. Afima emye lenye ma. You can reach us on this telephone number 0246 256 300 0246 25 6300.
Go. Oh, what the? Let go, Joy.
Oh, very much. If I don't quit them, keke Boye. Tanya too much toy. Boye worms, kple.
Oh.
The number for fun. The mother tell my two. Come on, not go.
That another Abraham, if you better kind of lay a party to Boye. But the husband didn't know fear. Coco in a dinner for Ewenyigba, Yapon or Passy Blank who went on Yan Kurama. Well, a party for Yakokatara. Vai, but I can't go. In the big dad as a Cremonton top. Vola Patica, Busiolo, wait off here.
Where you vola togo. You man no Chicago. Mokbong jaja.
Vola chika no pla na zama fiva nana kama furaga nawo mashama nazi
Miapa to do wala to fita itanye za vola chika miato motoro ha woza vola chika fufu jijila ama
This vola piki. Vola baby.
Ma una yira vola to ona una masa.
Vola pachika wala chika drapo kata alo gado pa dayo pa mala akblawu wojango St. Peter and Paul Catholic Church atututu le hoa apola old fashioned la akwe kala kwakwe gada wojila agodoma Yellow House Street wojango local rice jwala atututu opa dopo la budi gba ochogba chongdiga adrekla afaba dashina fiega aton kala mamli da gbawa oja dogoma ndiga andrekla afa wadashina ndogawi efe okana vola le 0244 512 1452
vola
Nina nemiayi vola eba senta afima mi apota yo la nyadeba vola efi valo akululi le fuda now alele le fuda now domaru le fuda now achite padaka ufuto makata mele to woni de wa eti makolo no ba na ile vola eba senta ikele jengo applaud Victoria Park afima na kodo wonto kame wa puto wo fukame fukame tutu dokata vola eba senta Dr. Prosper Debeneba na kodo come on
kadon kwajiba vola pachika munyuna funo nyonu yo no nama vikle de fio mo hopo wie fa
Nane mano monsieur, eye na me soile.